Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
The High Court acquitted accused 2 to 4 and convicted accused 1 alone of that charge and sentenced him, holding that he and some others had conspired together and fabricated the deed of assignment put forward by accused 1 and that accused 1 alone could not have fabricated that document. Stop. This court allowed the appeal of accused 1 and set aside his conviction under 120B IPC, holding that the conviction of one of the accused alone was unsustainable in law, having regard to the requirement of section 120A IPC. Stop. Mr. O.P. Rana, learned senior counsel appearing for the state of Maharashtra, sought to support the judgment of the High Court in this case against accused 5 in view of the conviction of accused 1 and 6 for the murder of Malan under section 320 read with section 34 IPC. Stop. We repelled that submission of Mr. Rana in view of the fact that those two accused 1 and 6 had been acquitted by the trial court of charge number 1 framed against them under section 302 read with section 120B IPC. Stop. And no appeal against their acquittal had been filed in the High Court, and also the fact that accused 5 was not a party to charge number 4, which was framed only against accused 1, 6 and 7. Stop. It was in view of this technical flaw that we allowed the appeal of accused 5 without going into the evidence regarding the merits of the case against him. Stop. Mr. Rana did not draw our attention in the course of his arguments to the fact that in charge number 1 even the approver PW1 is alleged to have conspired with the 7 accused to commit their 3 murders, or contend that in view of that circumstance and the finding of the High Court that the approver PW1 also was a party and to the conspiracy, the conviction of accused 5 alone of the charge of conspiracy under section 302 read with section 120B IPC could be sustained. Stop. We were therefore not called upon to consider any such question. Stop. As regards accused 6 in the High Court, reliance was placed by the prosecution on 4 pieces of evidence besides the evidence of the approver PW1 and the retracted confession of accused 5. Stop. Those 4 pieces of evidence are recovery of the razor blade, Article 54, pursuant to the confessional statement of accused 6 admitted under section 27 Evidence Act. Stop. The blade was found by the serologist to be stained with human blood of group. Stop. The High Court found on the evidence of PW50 and of police PW53 that the blood-stained shirt the origin of the blood found on Article 55 due to its disintegration. Stop. Therefore, the High Court did not place any reliance on this circumstance, namely recovery of the blood-stained shirt, Article 55, from the house of accused 6. Stop. The High Court found that the evidence of PW 54 and 55 does not establish beyond reasonable doubt that accused. Stop.